YouTube fam, what's up? It has been a minute. We're not even going to talk about how long it's been since I've actually recorded a video, but we got a new phone. I just have like a new sense of energy I just needed a little break, okay? But I'm feeling like super motivated again. I want to get like my socials back up and running. So here we are again, and we're starting off with some Happy Mail and an unboxing. Let's do it! So our unboxing today is coming from the Teacher Crate. They sent this to me. They have a monthly subscription just for teachers, and if you like teacher stuff too, but it has a whole bunch of goodies in it that we will love. So this is my first one ever, and I am so excited to open it with you guys. Are you ready? All right, here goes nothing. We're gonna bust this open, hopefully without killing myself. Woo, this is so exciting. Happy Mail is the best thing ever, you guys. I love, you know what, like the getting these things and like not knowing what's inside. I think that's my favorite part of this whole subscription idea, is that you have no idea what's inside, and I think that's the best part. Okay, I like need to sit for this because I feel like it's gonna be good. Let's switch the angle. Oh, you can't see me. Okay. Woo! Okay, are you ready to see all the goodies? A lot. Okay. Side note for a little teacher confession, I can never have enough teacher stuff, like ever. I've done really good at staying out of the Target dollar spot, partly because, you know, we're staying at Target right now, but I could just never have enough teacher things, ever. Okay, so let's crack this open. I didn't even know that Tic Tacs come in this tiny of a package, y'all. Like, what? I'm gonna have to hide these from my daughter because she wants to always steal all the things. Okay, next thing, we got some cute tape. Oh, there we go. Focus. Oh, I can never have enough pens. These are like some of my favorites too. Like, they're the Papermate and they have like the both sides. Yeah. See that? Those are like my favorites. And black is just my color. Okay. You can disagree without disagreeing, which I'm not gonna say that this just like really speaks to me, but anyways, oh, it's time for some big brain thinking, word puzzles. Big brain. All right, let's bust one open. Are we ready for this? Daily word. Oh, this is a fun one. Tell me what a taradiddle is. Taradiddle. Dude, this could be so, like, what a fun way to broaden your kids' vocabulary. Taradiddle. Bogus. Nonsense. A lie. Go ahead and taradiddle you. I like this word. You know what? I'm gonna find a way to use this today. You taradiddle. People will probably have no idea what I'm even saying to them when I say it. Excuse the bell. I don't know how they knew I needed a new one of these. However, literally just teaching. Good morning. Okay, and the last thing. It's so cute. Can never have too many teacher shirts ever. Okay, I hope you love this unboxing. I definitely want to do more of these. If you liked this Teacher Crate idea, I totally suggest you going and signing up for the Teacher Crate. The subscription is totally worth it, and you pay it, and each month you get in this whole little box filled with all these goodies, and yours will be filled with even more than mine, so definitely win. Definitely win. I can't wait to see what the next one brings, but till next time, this is Yanks. I'm out.